Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Indra to present Dragon 8x8 vehicle AI systems and counter-drone technologies at Eurosatory in Paris. Indra Group will attend Eurosatory in Paris as a company focused on the digitalization of land vehicles in Europe. The defense exhibition will be held from 15 to the 19th of June 2026. The Spanish company will present next-generation systems for land platforms, drones, counter-drone missions, electronic warfare and radar applications. Indra will have a stand in Hall 6 and will also be present in the Teddy and Rheinmetall areas. At Eurosatory, the 8x8 Dragon infantry combat vehicle developed by Test Defense will be displayed for the first time at an international defense event. Indra Group holds a controlling stake in Test Defense, and the vehicle has already been delivered to the Spanish Army. The Dragon is Spain's main armored vehicle modernization program. Indra will also present its mission system for managing the vehicle's subsystems and sensors. The company will showcase its battle management system, which is used by virtually all Spanish military vehicles. The system enables tactical and operational information to be shared in real time between units and command networks. Indra will also present artificial intelligence use cases for 360-degree vision systems on military vehicles. These include applications using Indra's local situational awareness system sensors and see-through 360-degree vision goggles. The capability is designed to identify threats, prioritize alerts and support decision-making in complex environments. Indra said it is especially relevant in urban areas, where reaction times are reduced to a minimum. The intelligence layer is provided by the Indra Mind Sovereign Intelligence Platform. It allows the vision system to analyze images in real time, detect and identify people and platforms, distinguish between friendly and hostile forces, assess threat levels and ambush risk, propose protection measures and present the best possible course of action to the crew. Indra develops state-of-the-art systems for the 5 defense domains and leads the development of advanced multi-domain capabilities that provide land units with high maneuverability, situational awareness, intelligence and far greater decision-making speed than the adversary, supported by sovereign AI over which countries and command authorities maintain full control, said Teresa Cabazon, Head of International Business Development, Defense at Indra. Indra will also present systems intended to expand land combat capabilities. These include the TASI's VTOL vertical takeoff and landing drone for intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance missions, and a loitering munition drone for precision attacks against targets in depth. Another system to be shown at Eurosatory is Indra's communications electronic warfare system mounted as a payload on a tethered drone. The drone flies connected to a high-mobility 4x4 vehicle and can jam communications and protect friendly units as they advance. Indra said the system forms part of its commitment to lightweight electronic warfare solutions. The company will also display Arachne, a counter-drone system that can be deployed in fixed, semi-static and mobile configurations on land vehicles. At Eurosatory, Arachne will be shown integrated with a smart-ear radio frequency detection system and the Brontes JAMA for signal interference. It will also include the NEMIS AESA active electronically scanned array radar, an electro-optical camera from EM&E and an EM&E weapon station providing hard-kill capability. At EM&E's stand, visitors will also be able to see Indra's NEMIS AESA active electronically scanned array radar integrated into a military vehicle. The radar provides drone and projectile detection, identification and tracking capabilities, enabling the automatic activation of protective countermeasures. Indra will also display one of its MTR family radars on a Rheinmetall truck. The company described the MTR family as a new generation of multifunction AESA active electronically scanned array radars for air defense, anti-aircraft defense and surveillance. The MTR radar family offers very short deployment and redeployment times. Indra said this makes the systems especially suitable for current combat scenarios and a complement to its ground-based air defense command and control systems. Indra will attend Eurosatory as a participant in European programs including FAMOUS, Marte and Auriger. These programs are aimed at developing future European armored vehicles and battle tanks. The company also leads several land systems modernization programs. These include Spain's Future Advanced Land Combat System Architecture Program, the Spanish Navy's 8x8 amphibious combat vehicles for the Marine Corps, wheeled bridge laying vehicles, tracked and wheeled self-propelled howitzers, and the modernization and digitalization of combat vehicles. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.